Hey guys, it's Christine of CoachChristine.com, the coach for women over 40 without the BS. Today I'm in the kitchen and I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way to press tofu. So plant-based eating is on the rise and a lot of my clients are looking to incorporate more plant-based protein options, and tofu is a very inexpensive and convenient way and also a very versatile way to get extra protein. And the clients ask me all the time, is it really necessary to press the tofu? Short answer, necessary, no. But is it a good idea? Yes, because you'll get a much better texture, especially if you're stir frying or baking the tofu. So this is my easy way to do it. And you can press this within 30 minutes. You can buy a tofu press, but that's just another gadget to have in your house. And if you're like me and you like a very uncluttered house and are looking to simplify, you don't need all those gadgets. So this is actually a container of tofu that I pressed, so you can see that it gets very thin and firm and I can pick it up and do whatever I want with it. So this actually pressed for about 2 hours because I forgot about it. But it's going to be perfect. So this is how you do it. So when you get your tofu, I already drained this, it's going to be in water. And you're just going to take a plate and a dish towel. And I'm going to remove my tofu so you'll be able to see how big it is when you first take it out. And I'll show you after I press all the water out. You can see. All right. So then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a few layers of paper towel and I'm going to wrap the tofu. And this is going to do a great job of absorbing all the water. And then I just place it on the plate, on the towel, and now I'm going to top it with another towel because you're not going to believe how wet these become. And then here is the trick. This is the easiest part. You just stack all your big honkin' books right on top of it. There we go. All those books that are just taking up space on your bookshelf, now you have a use for them. Now, this might topple over, so you don't want it to topple over. You can push it against, I do it on the counter and I do it up against the wall, and that way if the books do kind of fall off, they just fall onto the counter. And then after about 30 minutes, or if you forget about it like I did for 2 hours, you will have this beautiful pressed tofu that you can use in all of your recipes. Now, if you don't have time to even spend 30 minutes pressing your tofu, there is a real quick and easy way. I'm just going to take those off. And all you're going to do is take your tofu and then you just put it in a dish towel like this and then just squeeze the bejesus out of it and all of the water will come out, and just really squeeze over the sink. That is a better choice if you're making like a tofu scramble or a tofu eggless egg salad, because it will really crumble up. But if you need little nice squares or rectangles, make sure you press it. And that's my tip for the day. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell and you'll be the first to know when I release a new video with coaching tips and kitchen hacks and anything else I come up with. Bye for now. And then you can take these pieces of paper towel that are wet and you can recycle them, or if you're not so concerned about having maybe bleached paper towels in your compost pile, you can reuse these. So don't throw them out. Let's not be wasteful.